Welcome to GVS Square Healthy Lifestyle. We're diving into one of the most crucial elements of a healthy lifestyle for student life. This is episode 1, Prioritize Sleep. Why sleep is crucial for students. 1. Boosts memory and learning. Sleep helps consolidate what you've learned during the day, making it easier to recall facts and concepts. Without adequate rest, it's harder to retain information, which can affect your study performance. 2. Enhances focus and concentration. Ever tried studying while feeling tired? Lack of sleep leads to poor concentration, slower reaction times, and increased mistakes. Getting enough sleep can help you stay alert and attentive during classes. 3. Supports mental health. Poor sleep is linked to higher levels of stress, anxiety, and even depression. A good night's rest can improve your mood, reduce stress levels, and increase your overall happiness. 4. Boosts physical health and immunity. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Consistent, quality sleep helps strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthier and reducing your chances of getting sick. But this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for the next video, Tips to Prioritize Sleep as a Student. GVS Square LL share practical tips and insights to help you make sleep a priority and live a healthier, more balanced student lifestyle.